Okay, I'm going to try to test this recording on Camtasia. I'm going to go into the class and I'll go into our ethics course, and I want to talk about the different modules. So as you'll notice in the course, we have our home page, and it's got the welcome. You got my contact information on here. Of course, the textbook, my office hours, etc. Also want to draw your attention to the syllabus. This is the contract for the course. This ties the course description and your attendance, participation, our weekly schedule, the expectations for the course discussions, and of course the homework assignments, which are basically the midterm, due at the end of week 8, and the final, or what I like to refer to as homework number 1 and homework number 2. Of course, the final is due by the last day of class at the end of week 16. So I want to draw attention to the homework assignments. Each homework assignment needs to be 5 to 6 pages in length. You're also provided a PDF if you are so inclined and you have neat handwriting and you'd like to actually write it out. You can print out the PDF, write your responses, at which point you'll need to scan it, have the ability to scan it, and then re-upload it. Or you can just open up a Word document and type your responses. Okay. Everything in homework number 1 is everything from chapters 1 through 8, and homework number 2 is chapters 9 through 16. So it goes in the same general sequence as the text, and of course the questions are due. So again, if you haven't ordered the text already, please order the textbook, Police Ethics, 2nd edition by Perez and Moore from Cengage Publishing. So we have that ready to go. You'll use that to answer the questions, not only the discussion questions, but also the homework questions. So it's pretty self-explanatory. I know some of you are new, but when you look in Canvas, you have the course orientation module. That's got the welcome message and the syllabus, information on the homework assignments. And then at that point, I'd like you to introduce yourself if you could. And then each weekly module, for example, week 1, Police Ethics, a Matter of Character. The easiest way to go through the class, here I have provided you some narrative, which I think will be helpful. It explains the content a little bit more. By the end of the week, you should be able to define ethics, understand the order and operation of ethics, and explain various research methods related to the study of ethics. Okay? So in each module, it follows this general format. In this class, we're going to take week 1 quiz. We're going to read chapter 1 of the text, and we're going to participate in the week 1 discussion. Okay? When you get to the end of each module, click on the little next button in the bottom. That takes you to the next page in the module. Here's our weekly discussion question. What I'd like you to do is respond to that question, preferably in the first 3 days of the week, and then respond to 2 of your classmates on 2 additional days for a total of 3 days participation in the course for each question. Okay? So answer the question preferably in the first 3 days, and in the last 4 days of the week, respond to at least 2 classmates. So you're in the classroom on 3 different days with 3 different posts. Okay? You have the quiz. Once you open up a quiz, you have 30 minutes to complete the quiz. So please be ready to go. Try not to navigate away from the quiz. Have everything all set up. You, of course, can use your text if you have that in front of you. And it's all multiple choice, true, false, and matching. Okay? Once you complete the quiz, click Save, and your test will be graded automatically. And then, of course, each weekly module has a wrap-up with some different notes. So what I would like you to do before you take the quiz is read the introduction text and also read the wrap-up text. Might be helpful for you to take a quiz. I'm also going to post the key terms for each week in the announcements. So all the key terms from the text that will help you take your quizzes and understand the content and help you with the homework assignments as well as the discussion boards. You can review those key terms and have those handy. We're also going to have a Zoom session every week on Wednesday nights from 6 to 9. Please attend the sessions. I'm going to cover all the weekly content, go over some of the material that's going to be on the test, and go over all the key terms. That's it for now. I will see all you guys on Wednesday night. Thank you very much.